What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just want to give you a quick look at what has become my favorite golf ball marking tool. Now, if you aren't putting alignment lines on your golf balls, you need to do that right away. It was a game-changing tactic for me. It absolutely helped me reduce my number of putts. Now, one of the things that I have used in the past and I really fell in love with were these Callaway triple track golf balls. And you can get a stencil to make these lines, but most of the stencils that I have found don't make the lines this long. As you can see here, it is nearly half of the circumference of the golf ball. And why that's nice is when you're standing over the ball, all you're seeing is lines. And so some of the stencils that leave really short lines, it's really not taking advantage of the full ball to give you as much alignment assistance as you can possibly get. Now, enter this two set of ball tools here, and what I love about these are they are clamp on, so they will hold the ball in place. But then this side here, you can see with this little proboscis sticking out here, you get a really long stencil. So if I take this Pinnacle golf ball right here and I go ahead and fit that in there, you can see how far of a line I can draw. In fact, if I take this triple track ball right here and I just line up that red line at the edge of the stencil, it is basically the same thing. So you can get a line that's almost a full half circumference of the golf ball. Now you can actually make some other lines with this as well. Some crosshair lines right here. If you flip it over, what we can do is we can make a line right here. We can put little arrows if we want to hit it left or right of the target line. But for me, I'm just most interested in this top line piece right here. So if I just take a Sharpie, any Sharpie like this, and this is great because now you can just take any ball that you have. Maybe you favor a certain brand or type of ball, something really soft. Maybe you have old balls that you want to reuse. Now you can put on your alignment line, and now looking down on that, look at that. We have line from stem to stern, just like this triple track right there. And it cost me a lot less than that triple track golf ball. So if you want to draw a line that goes as far on your ball as a triple track golf ball with an inexpensive option like the stencil, I think you should pick this up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.